Woohoo! Should we get a cold start? Cold start! I'm like the cold start guy, because I'm just posting like cold starts on my Instagram. Ooh, clean. Sounds pretty good. Pretty good, pretty nice, pretty good. She works good. That new Annitori quick shifter be working on overtime, baby. That it's worth going here, besides hitting the twisties, of course. Yo, right there, that's the U-Haul where I went and rented a U-Haul when I picked this thing up in September 2024. Oh man, that was fun. There ain't nothing like the first day, or like, yeah, your first day of owning. Well, this place is shut down, what the heck? Like the first day of owning super bike, bro. Ain't nothing like it. just pulled over because my legs be hurting. So figured I would stop a little bit, check on the bike, check on the chicken strips. They're still massive, but this side, dude, it's getting a lot smaller on this side. What the heck? That's good. It's not bad. I'm getting somewhere. Finally. Cruise all the way to Bell River. Cool place. Never ever here. But yeah. Had to pull over because my freaking butt cheeks be hurting. Yeah. I think I should get gas soon.